Dear students, once again Team Ballari welcomes you to the English class. The last lesson we have seen a story where we have seen about the clever robin. Robin is a bird. In this story we have seen a Hilda, a hen, a very young hen which has red soft feathers, and it has its home near a river. One day Hilda wanted to go to market. She had gone to the market to buy some grains. There was a cunning fox by name Willy. It saw the hen Hilda and it thought, I will have a good meal for myself and my family. Then it ran home and said to his wife, Willy ran home and said to his lazy wife, Velma, boil water in a pot. Velma asked, why did I should boil the water? Then Willy said, no, I am going to give a surprise to you. Today we will prepare a tasty meal for you, for me and my children, for our children. Then Vilma asked, what is that? Willy said, it is a surprise. Then Willy left home with a big sack. In the sense, there is a bag. It took a bag and it was hiding the bag under a tree. Behind the tree. And waited. And it was waiting. Willy was waiting for whom? Hilda to come. Hilda to come to where? On the way. Hilda went to the market. On the way it was coming, and Willy saw the Hilda, the hen, and it caught from behind. Hilda was passing behind the tree, nearby the tree. Willy caught her up, put her in her bag. When this process was happening, when this incident was happening, there was a robin. There was a clever robin. What does it mean? It is a bird. Robin is a bird. Here in this story, Robin's name is Ronnie. Ronnie is the name of the clever robin. Ronnie and Hilda. Hilda is a hen. Ronnie is a bird. Robin bird. It saw Willy. Willy means who here? The fox. The Willy was having a bag in which a hen by name Hilda was inside. Who has seen this? This Robin saw the bag. And Robin and Hilda were the good friends. They are the very best friends. You know, you will also have your best friend in a school. Nearby your home, in your relatives, you will have your best friends. Yes, even Ronnie had a best friend by name Hilda. The same Hilda was now in the trouble. Now Ronnie, very clever Robin, it's very clever Robin, it wanted to help its friend. It made up a plan. It thought of a plan. Ronnie flew and stood before Willy and started roping on one leg. What did Ronnie do? Ronnie started coming near to the Willy, near the fox. Ronnie came near the fox and stood in one leg. You can see here one leg. It stood on one leg and it started hopping. Hopping means jumping. Jumping in front of the Willy. Willy thought that this is a cunning fox. Willy thought, okay, already I got this Hilda hen, I will also take up this Ronnie. Then Ronnie started dancing and it tried to go away from the tree. It started dancing in front of this Willy, the fox, and it started moving from that place to a far place. Who? Ronnie. He kept the sack under the tree and ran after Ronnie through a narrow road. Ronnie thought, what a foolish fox he is. Then Ronnie went very far away from the tree. By looking this fox Veli ran behind the Ronnie from the narrow roads. And Ronnie thought, what a foolish fox it is. When it is having its meal, instead of having the meal, Ronnie, the Veli is behind me. It is trying to catch me. Fox, the fox name is Veli. Veli thought that Robin is also hurt. Robin has hurt himself on his leg and it is moving on one leg. So it thought, the Veli thought that I will catch the Ronnie here. When the fox was very away from the tree, from the narrow roads, behind the Ronnie, what happened? The hen, the Hilda, came out of the bag. It came out of the bag and it has dropped the stones in the bag. What did Hilda do? Hilda is a hen. Hilda is a hen here. You can see this Hilda. Then Hilda ran away, came out of the bag. Then it has put stones in the bag and ran away from there. Again, Ronnie also flew away. The Veli thought that, okay, I did not get the Robin. I will go back and take my bag and take to home. Okay, we'll wait for some time. Yes.